Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn how to use find_elements method in Selenium using PyTest. Let's start by looking at the test scenario. I want to go to amazon.com and search for the keyword sunglasses. From the first search result page, I want to grab all the prices and check whether the average price is less than $50 or not. Now let's look at the tests directory structure. Inside Amazon_tests folder, I have a conf_test.py file which contains the driver fixture function. This function is responsible for initializing the Chrome WebDriver. Next, I have the test_amazon_search1.py file which contains a test function. On line 8, I'm using the get method to go to amazon.com. On the next line, I'm searching for the keyword sunglasses. Line 10, I'm clicking on the search submit button. Next, I'm using the list comprehension syntax to grab all the prices from the first search result page and storing it in list_prices. On line 15, I'm calculating the average price by dividing the sum of list_prices by its length. Finally, on line 19, I'm asserting whether the average price is less than $50 or not. Next, let's look at the page_object directory structure. I have a locators.py file under locators, which contains all the Xpaths and IDs. Whereas in pages.py file, I have defined all the helper methods used to find elements on the web page. Next, to execute the test file, right-click on it and select Run PyTest. Looks like the average price on the first search result page was $38.71, which is less than $50, and that's the reason why our test passed. Now let's look at how to find the Xpath locator that we used to grab all the product prices. Start by clicking on the button with 3 dots and select Developer Tools from the More Tools dropdown. Now click on the Inspect button and hover over the price. Click on it to get the corresponding HTML code and grab the span class from there. Now you can use the get_attribute method to get the inner text from this span class. Finally, to export the test results in an HTML file, click on the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.